Hey, this is Diggy here from ForexHabits.com, and we're here with the new analysis of the Euro US dollar. It's weekend, it's a Sunday afternoon, that means the markets are closed. That means I can look at the charts in all peace and quiet without these pips moving up and down constantly and being under that pressure. Now the markets are closed, we can get a clear look at what we think is going to happen for the week ahead, and we're going to position ourselves to get ready for some short sales when the time arrives. Now, in last week's video analysis of Euro US dollar, and you should check that out on youtube.com/forexhabits. Now, in last week's analysis, I put out that I'm expecting a rally back up to around 129, 130, 131 level, and I expect this to happen because of the huge sell-off that we had from 132 all the way down to 123 back here. Like the last 2 months, we had such a huge drop, and we just needed a rally back to compensate for that huge drop. So although we rallied up to about 127.60 after that drop, it immediately dropped back down to around 124. Now I am expecting Euro US dollar to head towards 120, 110, maybe even close to parity over the next 2 years, so there is a lot more downside. But what some people were expecting is that this rally was over and that it would go down and it would continue to go down, and that it was all over. But I don't think so. And on the last day, on Friday, we got a huge rally up. It was looking like it was going to go down. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 days. The whole week it went down, down, small down day. And Friday we just had this huge rally day all the way back up to 50 moving average on daily, around 127. Now I am expecting this to head up towards the 100 exponential moving average on the daily chart, which is at the moment about 128.80. I actually think it will move a little bit higher. It can potentially move up to a maximum of about 131. I'll show you why just now, but let's just draw this trend line here. It's very likely it's going to head towards this trend line. If you put that over the top, and at the moment that's a 129 level. This is a daily chart of Euro US dollar. We can change it to a weekly chart and let's see what happens there. On a weekly chart, you can see this is the 21 exponential moving average on the weekly, and the 100 exponential moving average is at 134. Now I actually doubt very much it's going to get to 134. But what it could do is it could go to the 50 exponential moving average, 131.50. Maybe by the time it gets there, it would be about this level, or maybe horizontal here, 130, 131. I still expect that to happen, but that will very likely take another 3 to 6 weeks. It's currently the 1st of July, so we can expect a rally of maybe up to middle August, end of August, and then drop down. Something like this is possible, but for now I really do expect more of a rally, and I actually don't expect don't expect Euro US dollar to come much below the 125 level. What's interesting is, since it's the 1st of July, Friday's trading day was the last trading day of the month, and it determined the weekly candle, or the monthly candle, sorry, what am I saying? So this is what it looks like. We had, in the month of May, we had a huge drop, and the month of June recovered almost about 50% of that drop. So what's going to happen? Likely it's going to be capped at around 130, 131 maximum, and after that it should continue to drop. So that should take between 3 to 6 weeks. Bit of consolidation, up down movement, up down, and after that we should break down below this 122, 123 level and finally head lower, something that hasn't happened in the last couple of years, but I think we will head there. I think we will head down towards this parity level, probably somewhere this level. You can see it's a nice support level here, this 108, somewhere there, 106, probably head down towards that. So I wouldn't expect a long-term upside, but for a few weeks there is quite a bit of potential for it to move another 200 to 400 pips higher from its current level. and after that we'll be looking for a short sale somewhere around the 130 level, 129, 130, but it's just a matter of being patient for that. In the meantime, if you want to do some long trades, you can do that with short stops, but there is wild fluctuations of 100 or 200 pips, so you have to be very careful unless you have very big stops, and very big stops is dangerous, so trade carefully for that. So that's my vision. Let's sum it up. At the moment, I think we're going to rally higher. We're going to go towards the 129, 130 level, I think. But it could take 3 to 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks. A lot of congestion, up-down rally movement, but in the long term up towards that. And then some sort of consolidation, some sort of top, and then crash back down, finally break down below and head towards the 110, 108 level. Possibly even this year, towards the end of the year, by December. Now, of course, this is just my opinion, but I think it has a high chance of working out this way. Do your own analysis, calculate your own risk. Don't risk more than 5% of your account in a single trade, and keep trading. Don't give up if you have a losing trade. Just keep your stop losses in and keep trading.